Hey guys, what's up? It's Zach Calhoun here. I have an important Pictastic.ai update today, and I'm excited to share it with you. Now, on your Pictastic dashboard, you will see the option to add a custom domain. So today, I'm going to show you what this means, what it looks like, and how to set it up quickly for your project delivery sites and your photo delivery, all 100% branded to your domain, just like you're seeing here. Okay, so if you look here on the very top, you'll see this says share.virtualtourprofit.com. It's just one of the domain names I have. So if you haven't seen the virtualtourprofit.com webinar, go check it out. But basically, you can put whatever you want in front of your own URL. So let's say it says Rick's Photography or Rick's Photos or Rick's Media. You can put share.ricksmedia or view or tours or site. You can really put whatever you want. And I'm going to show you today how to customize that domain name automatically. So let's navigate to how you do this inside the Pictastic.ai platform. Okay, so you see here on the sidebar, you'll see where it says custom domain. And I have already already have a domain configured. There's some things to not do and things to do, so please pay attention to this video. It's really important. But whenever it's configured correctly, you'll see a big check mark and it'll say DNS health good, etc. To add a domain, all you have to do is click add domain. Now, this is where you want to make sure you don't add your main root domain if you don't want your main root domain to be whatever sites you're building on the Pictastic platform. So if you want it to be a subdomain, you're going to want to add in that subdomain. So I showed a moment ago the example of Virtual Tour Profit, which is this. This is a root domain. So I am not wanting www. to be what goes to this domain. So because that's the case, you want to go ahead and create your subdomain right now. And this is what you're going to add in to the platform. So really quickly, you just click share.virtualtourprofit.com. And that is what you're going to click, or that's what you're going to add in. Or you can put view, wherever you want, or it could be share ricksphotography.com. This is how you add a CNAME record on our side. And then once you do that, you're going to go into the back end of your domain provider and make sure it's pointing to our server, okay? So I'm gonna just put in a fake domain here to give you an idea of what to do next. Let's just call it my domain, okay? Share.mydomain.com, I'm gonna click add domain. And here's what pops up. So you have to point the DNS, so you point a CNAME, okay, of the DNS to our server. So on your, say you have GoDaddy or Namecheap or HostGator, let's say your domain lives somewhere. I'm going to show you an example in a moment. This is the information you need. You need to know what type of text record to add. So what type of CNAME, it's called a CNAME. What is it going to be? So it's going to be share, because I put share in front of it, and what the value is. So where are we going to point it? What's the server name, basically? And even it says here, here's your steps. You can follow those steps as well. And it should be pretty easy from there, but I'm going to show you a video anyways, just because this is how it's done. So I'm going to pull in a domain provider called Bluehost. Here's an example. And when you click on your domains, you have to click Advanced DNS Setup, and it'll give you a warning that says only for advanced people only, because if you point to the wrong place, your website could go down, etc. Just don't worry about that. All you have to do is you're going to click add a record. Okay. When you click add a record, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for adding a DNS record, and you're going to want to add the type, which is called a CNAME. Okay. So a moment ago, I showed you, this is what input number 1, CNAME, right? So here, CNAME, right there it is, type CNAME. Now next, refer to. So see how it says refer to and .virtualtourprofit.com. Okay. So what are we going to do here? Well, we're going to say other host, okay? And I'm going to put share. All right, just like that. So I don't want to put www. I don't want my @ record to go there. So it's other host. And every kind of platform looks a little bit different, but in this case, I can just select other host to have this appear, okay? Alias. So what's my alias? Well, what did it say? This is my value, okay? Got it. Let's add this in and paste and click. I'm going to have my TTL, time to live, be 15 minutes. I want it to be live soon. And then you click add. Okay, now I've already added this record already. That's why it says this record enters already exists. So I'm going to click cancel for now and show it to you. So these records right here, these types are A records. It's not the right place. These types are C records. Okay, cool. I'm in the right place. I need to look and find it somewhere though. So where is it? Oh, there it is. Share. So so it's a C name record. It's called share, and it points to this URL. Okay. So once you do that, you will click save, and then it will say 15 minutes later, configured, and you're good to go. Now, how do you share or create a project site that's on your own custom domain name? I'm going to real fast delete this. It's easy. You go to project sites and create a project, and when you're there, inside project sites, in your project media section, you'll see right here where it says share project. Click that button, and now your domain name pops up. So I'm going to copy this URL, which is specific to this project. Oops. Click paste in the URL, and then there it is. It's custom domain, private labeled to my own domain. Just like that, really simple. And now when I deliver this project site over to a customer, whether or not it's pay to unlock or not, this has my own domain name, and I can now deliver custom private labeled project photo deliveries, floor plans, virtual tours, etc. to my customers. So it looks beautiful, brand to my domain, and I look like a professional. Okay, so to turn this on, when you click on custom domains, you have to unlock this feature. So it's a project sites feature right now. We're going to be adding some more custom domain type stuff in the future, so it's separated out. But essentially, you need to be at the project sites plus plan, which is only $35 a month paid annually, or you can do the monthly plan as well too. So select here to unlock this. And you also, with that, get 600 projects per year, 100 gigabytes of storage, and all types of cool features like pay to unlock, remove all of our branding, and you can obviously connect your own domain name and private label the project sites feature. So it's really, really cool, powerful, simple, fun, and amazing. So use it today, upgrade today. It's very, very cheap. You might as well do it. And let's get your business looking professional every time you deliver a project to your customers. All right, see you soon.